Hi guys, I'm Arif Özkan. I'm the mentor and the content creator in Clarusway. We will talk about the React use state. So we will at first here I'm writing import React from React. Export const my components. Adding an arrow function. Okay. Const user name and set username. So you understand this is use state. So use states, and I have to import from React use state and React and use effect. Okay. Use effects and arrow function. Set username, set timeout. What's the timeout? Timeout, it will triggers after the first render. Set username, username as a default value, and it is Clarusway. Okay, and set username. What can I do? Organization. Okay, which organization? Clarusway organization, of course. Clarusway organization. And set. I wrote a set timeout, so I have to give a time 10,000 milliseconds, so it equals to 10 seconds. So it will work after the first render. 10 seconds. Okay. Okay, I have to write return value. View and close the tag. Okay. H2 tag, H3 tag, and close the H3 tag. And username, it will just display the username. Okay. Our course is good. Looks good. Okay. Open the localhost 3000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it changes. Why? useEffect changes. useEffect works at the first render. Okay. But we delayed it via using set timeout, so it works 10 seconds after the first render. That's all guys. We will talk the next chapter about React use state, dependency array, and unload methods. So have a good day.